Hi everyone, welcome to Momus Craft. Today we'll learn how to create a Mr. Urokodaki mask from Demon Slayer. If I see support in this video, I will make other characters' masks. To create this mask, we will download and print the template on paper or cardboard. We will use red, black, and white cardboard. You have the template link in the description and in the comments. There you can choose the mask size and also know how to cut the pieces and how to fold them. Here we have our pieces ready to start. The pieces on the first template are black except for pieces with numbers 10 and 11, which are white. From the second page onwards, all the pieces will be red. We will start joining the pieces with the numbers 1, 2, and 3. We will join piece 1 with piece 2 and then add piece 3. We will join the next two parts together and assemble them with the previous pieces. With pieces 6 and 7 we are going to form the face outline. So we will join piece 6 on the right side and piece 7 on the left side. We will also join their ends. Now parts 8 and 9 will finish forming the forehead. So we will join them and glue them to the mask. We will add pieces 10 and 11 to form the eyes. Piece 10 is the right eye, and piece 11 is the left eye. The next thing will be to create the nose. First, we will join the ends of piece 13 to form the nose and then join it with piece 12. With parts 14 and 15, we will create the tip of the nose. We will join them and once ready we will assemble them with the previous pieces. To finish creating the nose, we will put the nose on the mask and add piece 16 in the lower part. With these other pieces we will form the mask cheeks. We will shape piece 17. Join it with piece 18 and add it to the design. These two pieces will finish forming the face figure. We are going to join them and add them to the mask. The following will be the final details. This part is optional, but I recommend you do it. We will cut out and add 2 squares of black semi-transparent fabric to the mask. We will put glue around the eyes and join them. Pieces 21 and 22 are the eyebrows, so we will glue piece 21 on the right side and piece 22 on the left side. These other two pieces will form the mustache. We will add piece 23 on the right and piece 24 on the left. Piece 25 is the last one that we will join. We will glue it centered on the chin. To use the mask we are going to need 2 strips of fabric 35 centimeters long. This is the same fabric that I used in the eyes. I tied a knot at one of the ends to join them more easily to the mask. We will put glue on both sides of the mask and add the strips. And now we have our Mr. Urokodaki mask ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Momus Craft. Thank you very much for watching the video.